So, you may wonder what is the difference, right? Now I have this headset on, but as you can see, it's not plugged up. Alright, I'm recording on my phone, and we're gonna take the audio from sounding like this that you're hearing right now to this. You guys be the judge. Tell me which one sounds better, and then we'll proceed with the video. Alright guys, so this is not going to be a long drawn out video. I just wanted to make this video to kind of explain to you about a headset. You can move your mic, obviously your headset, if you want it to be closer to your mouth like this. It'll depend on, again, how you speak, and then if you want to bring it down, it might be better for you. I don't really know which one is best because I'm not sure. I haven't mastered it yet. I don't play online enough like I used to with people to utilize this to know. But a headset is good. These are the Astro A50s, I believe. I got these from Walmart for $59. With tax, it was like $60. So if you are on a budget and you can't afford like headphones, you also need a mic. Here's a great solution, all in one. This could be good for doing reactions. So like if you want to do a reaction all in one place, one stop shop, like this video right here. I'm gonna put the video where I talked about how you can make YouTube reaction videos. You could use this headset instead of having to have earbuds and then have a regular traditional microphone. You could use this all in a one-stop shop. Until my next video, I'll see y'all. Peace. Oh, I forgot. Let's go!